wrecks and slip and falls and those kinds of things are different. We have to prove that the person was injured by the negligence of someone else.
Okay.
And then in North Carolina, it's even a little bit more complicated because we have in North Carolina, there's only 3 states that have this contributory negligence. So contributory negligence is something where, you know, if you were negligent in any way, then they don't have to pay you anything for your injuries.
Right.
But so that's why it's important to come see us first, because a lot of times the insurance company will call you after a car wreck, for example, and say, well, we need to get a recorded statement, right? We want to know, and they're going to ask you a lot of questions about what happened, what were you doing, when did you see this, when did you see that, how far was this, how far was that? And the truth is, do they really need that statement? I mean, they got an accident report prepared by a professional that has detail after detail after detail, the road conditions, the weather conditions, the time, the date, the place, the traffic conditions. They have everything. So why are they getting that information? What they're doing is they're going to, a team of lawyers is going to look at that later and go, is there a way that we can say that this wasn't our guy's fault or it was partially your fault? And so I've been on that. I used to defend insurance companies when I was working for a firm in law school, and so I saw how they did that, and I'm like, wait a minute, that's not. And so we want people to be real careful and contact us before they get into a situation like that.
Before they take a call or anything.
It's almost like a criminal defense sort of situation. If you wouldn't talk to the police officer without talking to your lawyer first and making sure your lawyer was there to make sure your rights and interests are protected.
Correct.
It's very similar in an injury context where you need to talk to a lawyer before and have your lawyer